All right, guys, so watch this video for Wednesday, December 30th. So we got Wednesday and Thursday, and then the market's closed on Friday, another 3-day weekend. So finishing out the year in the next 2 days, barring some catastrophe, I'll be going out at the end of the year at year highs for my account. Most of that is thanks to the great teamwork in the chat room and the A+ process we put together in our trading course. Just living by that every day. We'll start the video today with the SPY daily chart as I always do. Gapped up, but then I'll show you intraday here. Hang on, I got after hours on here. Then it pretty much sold off from the gap up, little bear flag, sold off again, and ended up going out pretty close to its lows. Again, 2 days left in the year. What do we want? Well, I'll show you a couple really nice way to start the day. Laser was on the bounce play watch list, LAZR. And Wayne called this one long. Love this call, by the way. Right through 31. It looked like this. There's the opening 5-minute candle. You see it opened right around 31. Looking for that red to green and got a really nice push pretty quickly, right, to 32.75. That was a nice way to start the day. I also called LI over the microphone as a red to green, which there's your opening 10 minutes, and then it went red to green and ended up pretty much being a really nice one as well. Several other nice calls in the chat, but I just try to pick out a couple highlights. And I'm going to mention two stocks two stocks real quick that may be worth watching in the morning, but I'm not going to put them on the watch list. And that seems a little weird. But JAN, J-A-N, by the way, I hate this stock, but as I'm talking right now, it's trading at 8.56 in after hours. Now, if I'd have seen news on it, I'd be much more interested in it, but I feel like it's just one of those where some room said, hey, here's a low floater, let's run it into the close and see if we can get an after hours move. And man, if that was their plan, it would be very successful because like I said, it's trading at 8.56 right now. So that one may be worth watching tomorrow if it's still gapping. And then HEPA, H-E-P-A, had news in after hours, and right now it's trading at 245, so potential gapper there as well. Not real fond of that one either. But what am I watching for tomorrow? BNGO, big breakout today. We'll just see if it gives some kind of red to green or some kind of follow-through trade. VLDR goes on bounce watch, like 4 days in a row, red maybe, and today one of those indecision days. Ended up closing about where it opened. Pretty close to that the 8-day moving average, and it looks like it tested the 20, so maybe tomorrow's bounce day, we'll see. XL has only been trading for, 5 days? But we've got 3 days in a row on declining volume. Probably one of my favorites tomorrow for a potential bounce. AI, another one that's fallen from almost 185 down to 139. Actually went to almost 135 today at one point, but several red days in a row. Took out the 8-day today. I like that one for a potential bounce. I thought I took this one off the list. Maybe not. STIC has only been trading for about a week. Got a couple red days in a row. We're going to watch that for a turn back up. Fubo goes back on watch. A couple bottoming tails here right around the 20-day. Pretty interesting for a potential bounce tomorrow. Fly, just a narrow range day after 2 big days, then a red day, and just a small narrow range day. Pretty interesting for a turn back up tomorrow. QS. I don't love this because I would like to see, after a move like this, I would like to see kind of a steady decline. But instead, it went sideways for like a week and then broke to the downside. So for me, you do kind of have a gap fill right here, but I'd actually like to see one more red day get down to the middle of this buy zone. So that would make me like it more, but you do have 2 big down days there. So I'm going to watch it, right? Fuel Cell, really, really strong stock lately. Now you got 3 red days in a row down to that buy zone. So FCEL, possible bounce. Sumo, SUMO, really nice move here. Now we've got, 5 days down in a row, hit the 20-day today. Potential bounce. BT, if Bitcoin's strong, I didn't type that right, let me try it again. If Bitcoin's strong, I like that over today's high, which was 1087, or some other A+ setup if Bitcoin's strong. EQ, I was thinking of something else. EQ had a nice strong day today though, pretty big volume and a pretty strong close. We'll watch for some kind of follow-through setup tomorrow. SIF, this is weird because I had it on long watch today, and then it makes a move from 550 to 670, and I swear to God, I never even noticed it. So, and here's part of the reason: 407,000 shares all day after trading almost 25 million 3 days ago, right? So when you go to intraday, look at that. It's just a slow, quiet, steady climb, right? You switch back to the daily and say, hey, how did we miss that move? I would say go to the intraday, and it never gave any kind of a setup, and it was very, very low volume, actually making me question if it should be on watch tomorrow at all, because it's kind of thin, but I'll have it on watch. And then GAN, I believe maybe the CEO or something, or they were talking about it, somebody said in the chat room on CNBC, and it had a nice volume push. So over today's high would be over 1980, and then you've got the most recent high not that far away at 2060. Really nice volume day today, so I'm going to keep an eye on that one as well. We'll find other gappers in the pre-market, so there should be plenty to trade tomorrow. I'm done babbling. I'll see y'all in the chat room.